Hi, my name is Katie Harold, and I have been challenged to make a video about why I joined It Works and the reason that I do this. I joined because I was a loyal customer for 2.5 years, and I had great results with the products. I had lost 10 pounds. I loved them, and I knew they worked. And at the time, the girl that I was ordering from was making $16,000 a month. And I thought, I have to give it a try and know if it really does work. She had been asking me to join her business for years, and I thought, what the hell, why not? So I had just graduated college with a bachelor's degree in event planning, and I couldn't find a job. And so I thought, I'm just going to give this a chance. And I just joined because I wanted to make an extra $1,000 a month to start saving for a car. I wanted a brand new Jeep. And so I was a bartender and I gave it a shot. People told me that I couldn't do it, that it was stupid. And so honestly, that motivated me to keep going. And, the people that I was in this business with just helped me dream bigger and know that I was worth it. And I made so many great friends, and we started going on really fun trips, and the money started coming in, and we were having wrap parties and just really having a lot of fun and really helping people, whether it was financially or physically. And I couldn't believe that this is what people call a job. I was having way too much fun. And so right before I started making $1,000 a month, I thought, wow, I'm really going to make $1,000 a month. I can't believe this. Okay, now I want to make $2,000 a month. And right before I was starting to make $2,000 a month, I had a huge team, and they were all just running with me and wanting to do this, and were really motivated. And actually, almost 1 year in, or less than a year in, I was able to quit my job because my commissions were more in 1 month than my highest month ever at the bar. And honestly, I was miserable at the bar. My job was getting in the way of my business at that point. I was, on my feet 4 days a week, 12 hours at a time. It was exhausting, and it was miserable. And It Works has allowed me to get out of the service industry and to help so many other people. And every single day we get to help loyal customers, whether it's lose weight, tighten up, have more energy, feel better, less stress, better skin. And we get to help so many people physically and financially. It's so rewarding at the end of the day. And now my why has gone from I want to give this a try and make an extra $1,000 a month to I want to prove my haters wrong to, I still want that new Jeep. I'm still going to have it. I'm going to the top. I'm going to have the Jeep. I'm going to go ambassador. I'm going to buy a great house. All the things that everybody in my whole life told me that I couldn't have because they were too expensive and I needed to go to the more sensible route. That's why I kept on going, because I didn't want the sensible route. I didn't want to be normal and mediocre, because we were all meant to be great, and everybody deserves a chance in this business and to have a shot at all the things that you could ever want. I don't have children yet, but one day when I do, I won't ever have to work. My kids won't ever have to go to a babysitter, and I can raise them and have money for their college funds. And I've been so blessed. And so a lot of people on my team do this for their children. And I have a lot of stay-at-home moms, and it's really rewarding to be able to help them on a daily basis. So, it went from $1,000 a month to proving my haters wrong to I wanted to quit my job. I did that, and now I do it for my team, honestly. And the paycheck is great, but we get to travel and do all kinds of fun things together, and it's made me a better, more positive person, and it really has changed my life. And we're going big places. We're going to be $1 billion brand, and I'm so excited to be with the right company at the right time with the best team ever. And I'm really hoping that you will give this a shot and join us as well.